How to dispute a charge on US Bancorp credit card. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to dispute a transaction using online and mobile banking application. Now first of all, you need to go and log into your US bank account, and when you're logged in, choose the credit card that the charge was made. Next, you need to go to the transaction in a question to expand the details and choose dispute this transaction. Then you need to answer the question to help the customer care determine the reason for your dispute. Then select continue to start your case. And if the case can be submitted through digital banking, you'll receive a confirmation once the steps are completed. And if the dispute option does not appear, or if you have any questions, you can contact the customer service team and let them know about the issue. So by following these steps, you should be able to dispute a charge on your US Bancorp credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.